The Indian Air Force has announced 2 recruitment drives for the recruiting year 2027, inviting online applications for Agniveervayu Intake February 2027 under the Agnipath scheme and Airmen Intake February 2027 in the group by non-technical medical assistant trade. According to a press release issued by the Press Information Bureau, Defence Wing, Government of India in Bengaluru, 14th July 2026, the online registration process for the Common Entrance Examination for Agniveervayu Intake February 2027 began on 6th July 2026 and will continue until 26th July 2026. The recruitment is open to unmarried Indian male and female candidates. The IAF has also invited applications from Indian and Gurkha male candidates who are subjects of Nepal for recruitment as airman in the Group Y non-technical medical assistant trade under Airman Intake February 2027. For both recruitment drives, online registration began at 11 hours on 6th July 2026 and will close at 23 hours on 26th July 2026. The online examination is scheduled to be conducted on 22nd September 2026 and 23rd September 2026. For the medical assistant trade, eligibility criteria vary depending on the candidate's educational qualification. Candidates applying with SSLC and PUC qualification must be unmarried and should have been born between 1st July 2006 to 1st July 2010 with both dates inclusive. Candidates applying with diploma, B Pharma or BSc in pharmacy qualifications must meet separate age requirements. Unmarried candidates should have been born between 1st July 2003 to 1st July 2008, while married candidates should have been born between 1st July 2003 to 1st July 2006. For candidates applying through the SSLC and PUC qualification route, they must have passed SSLC and PUC intermediate or an equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, biology and English for education boards recognized by the central, state or union territory governments. Candidates must have secured a minimum of 50% aggregate marks and at least 50% marks in English. Candidates who have completed a 2-year vocational course with physics, chemistry, biology and English as non-vocational subjects from recognized education boards are also eligible, provided they have secured at least 50% aggregate marks and 50% marks in English. Candidates applying with diploma, B Pharma or BSc in pharmacy qualifications must have passed intermediate, SSLC and PUC or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, biology and English, securing a minimum of 50% aggregate marks and 50% marks in English. In addition, they must possess a diploma, B Pharma or BSc in pharmacy with a minimum of 50% aggregate marks and hold a valid registration with a state pharmacy council or the Pharmacy Council of India at a time of enrollment. The Indian Air Force has clarified that only qualifications from education boards recognized by the central, state or union territory governments will be accepted. The notification also states that the exact aggregate percentage before the decimal point, as mentioned on the mark sheet or calculated according to the rules of the respective education board, will be considered. For example, 49.99% will be treated as 49% and will not be rounded off to 50%. The registration and examination fee for the medical assistant recruitment has been fixed at 550 rupees plus applicable GST. Eligible candidates can apply through the official Indian Air Force recruitment portal, which is provided in the description box below. The detailed notification contains information regarding age criteria, educational qualifications, medical standards, terms and conditions and other eligibility requirements for both recruitment drives. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.